Biyahe ni June. 5th day, 6th day. Pauwi na kami in like a few days. Ngayon ko lang nagamit tong tripod ko. And there's a 50% chance of rain! 50? 50 pa lang to! It is currently day 6. Day 6. We're gonna go somewhere to eat lunch in Susukino. Ramen Alley, according to our tour guide. Biyahe ni Drew. We're watching FIFA at this random ramen shop. Dapat dun kami sa kabila. Wait, mamaya, video kayo. Pero kasi sarado sila today, kaya dito na lang. Kasi may chair. Yeah, may chair for 5 people. Ramen! What's this? Buttercorn. Buttercorn. Mainit na. Oh. Grabe, sobrang busog. Sobrang busog, tinan mo. Oh. Wow. Pero malamig pa rin naman yung hangin. Pero grabe lang yung sikat ng araw. So now we're going to Barry Start again. Not very much. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Elevation of 456 meters. Please.
Sarap dito sa taas. Let's see. 5th day, 6th day. Pauwi na kami in like a few days. Ngayon ko lang nagamit tong tripod ko. Ooh, the bell. Ang fun pala nito. Ngayon ko lang nagamit. Ay, kung nakakalimutan dalhin. This is go. Ito lang siya sa taas. It's super chill. And super nice weather. Sarap ng hangin. Tapos wala masyadong tao. And the view. Sarap ang muni-muni sa ganito. Ganito. Okay, we're now walking down to the bus station. Kasi walang bus doon. I mean, meron pero mamayang time pa. So, pababa na lang kami. Okay lang, at least pababa. Kasi grabe yung paakyat niya. Grabe yung pag-akyat. Grabe yung slope. Dinner! Dami nilang non-alcoholic beers dito. I'm gonna try 4. Oh, alam mo galing shopping.
POV ng package mo.
ng
ng package mo.
Only in America. Only in Japan. For tonight's midnight snack. Is this. This is Muji's cotton candy. It's super good. Mukha lang siyang cotton, pero guys, cotton candy talaga siya. See? Pumas.
Yung cotton fibers.
See, this is real. This is real cotton candy. Yeah, it's edible. So good. 50 pesos dito sa Japan, pero sa Philippines, 99 pesos. Kaya, anim yung kinuha namin kanina. Baka bumalik pa kami bukas.
Oh, basta yung anim.
Madami pa akong coins.
Mapu-flat na yun pag-uwi.
Marami pa akong coins. It's light and fluffy and very sweet.
Very sweet. It's not that sweet.
Oh, it's kinda sweet. Guys, ulitin ko lang, wag niyo ibubuk yung tour sa Klook.
It's not calm. It's not relaxing. It's not relaxing.
Gabi talaga yun. Ibang level talaga yun.
Ilang layers?
Hindi ko na na-enjoy. Yung blue na ice cream, wag niyo nabilhin pag nag-stop kayo dun sa Blue Pond. Meron ka lang less than 5 minutes to finish the whole thing. Hindi na nga ako nakapunta sa Blue Pond eh.
And he said, wag na daw yung blue meatballs.
Ah, may blue meatballs? Ah, hindi ko nakita yun. Or pwede naman i-book. Pero siguro sana swertihin na lang kayo sa...
Maayos yung tour.
Oo, maayos yung tour guide. Well guys, ang laki pa ng chocolate ko. Paano ko to iuwi? Paano ko to iuwi sa Pinas? Meron pa ako nito. Ito, gusto mo? Hokkaido wheat and cheese. Hindi ko siya nakain. Maalat kaya to?
Ito yung cheese.
Oh, nag-init pa si sis. Yes, go.
Oh,
Lamon. Finally, McDonald's.
I got the drinks.
Ganda naman ang iced coffee nila. Ano naman yan?
Iced coffee. Comfort for me.
Price. Sarap naman maglakad dito. Kita mo yung dalawa din. Te, Pinoy ka?
Philippines!
Gusto ko ng ganyang car. Ang daming colors dito. Sobrang dami. Sobrang cute. And ice cream. Pang ilang ice cream na to, grabe. Pero sobrang sarap. Ito yung melon ice cream. So, sis. Te, Pinoy ka, te? Oh no! Napatulo na siya. Pero we're back in Odori Park. Ang sarap ng ganito lang. May park. Tapos upo, masarap yung weather. Tapos pa ice cream lang. O, diba? Napakalinis. Parang ang lamig ng water. We are back in Don Quixote. Skubudol na naman. Umiikot-ikot lang. Ano naman bibili na major. Umiikot lang talaga kami. Bang aspiration. We're prepared.
Go to sleep. I'm not. I chose to
It's prepared. Okay, this is thank you, Mr. DIY. Sponsor. Ano lang to? Less than 100 pesos. Sobrang handy.
nagbabalita.
Super handy. Good evening, everyone. We're here in Hokkaido and Sapporo. It's currently raining and there's some girls. And there's a 50% chance of rain.
50 pa lang to.
Again, Mr. DIY. Whoa. Good. It's our last day. Actually, check out na. And nauna na sila mama, daddy, tsaka si Sam kasi una yung flight nila at 1 p.m. Tapos kami mga 5 p.m. pa yata, 6 p.m. Yun. So, yung con lang dito sa Airbnb is yung checkout time niya. 10 a.m. So, sobrang aga. Hindi mo lang 12. So, yun. Medyo... Tapos, ito pala yung sinasabi ko na raincoat ng Mr. DIY. Ayan. Sobrang kasya sa bag. So, buy this one. Recommended by Mel J. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo yung water. Dami naming nabili na water. Hindi pa dyan kasama yung mga mas maliliit na galing vendo machine. Dami. Oh yeah, kasi yung trash kailangan naka-segregate kasi kung hindi may penalty. I think mas better talaga ang hotel. Kasi wala ka nang iisipin ganito. Pero kasi sobrang limited lang ng hotel options dito. That's usually for 2 packs. 3 packs. Eh, ito, at least ito, pang 6 yata to maximum eh. Kaya, ayan. Although at least 2 bathrooms, 2 toilet and bath siya. So, very convenient naman yun. And malapit siya sa Odori and Susukino. And Sapporo. Yan. Like, isang train station lang. Or kayang lakarin mga 1 point something kilometers. Time to go home. See ya. Again. It's a nice Airbnb. Kaya naman. Ano. Okay. See ya. Whenever. The struggle is real. Ayan. Kaya pa ba, B? Uwi na tayo. We're going to the bus station. Hindi muna kami magta-train. Oh, bus stop pala. Hindi muna kami magta-train. But it depends if may bus. If wala, edi train. Ito yung bus station na malapit dun sa hostel. Hostel. Yun yung tawag dun. Yun yung name niya. Ayan. So, this is direct Chitose for New Chitose. Ayan. Chitose, New Chitose. Ito yung sa tapat. This is the Prince Hotel. So, yung station na to is a Prince Hotel. Ito, this is parking. It's a parking building. Grabe, lahat ng parking nila dito may elevator yung cars. Imagine. Ano yung tsura niya? Ang galing. Yay! We found 1 locker. We need 1 more kasi 9:20 pa yung flight namin. Lahat ubos. Grabe. Punta tayo sa iba.
Okay, we found one. This is ready. Pwede ka na ba magbuhat? O ganyan na lang. Perfect. Okay. Vlogger niyo, pagod na.
Isang luggage lang yun.
Tapos twice ko pa siya pinabuhat. Kasi trinay ko yung luggage ko sa locker. Ay, luggage niya sa locker na nakita ko. Vlogger niyo, pagod na.
Bigay ni Ate Kay.
Oh, hindi na.
Yeah, for the coins. Sobrang dali.
You're welcome.
After 1 week of eating Japanese food, okay na. Kata na. So, nandito kami ngayon sa food court ng airport. And this is the garlic cheese naan and curry fries. Yes! Indian food!
Indian food!
Sarap. May Baskin Robbins pa pala dito. Parang yung sa atin nagsasara na eh. Pero yay, I finally got my chocolate mint ice cream. See?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy. Dessert muna and then coffee. We still have 4 hours. We're at the international departures sa Chitose and we're gonna try if okay dito. If not, doon kami sa kabila. Dito na lang kami magko-coffee. So cute. Coffee, I got decaf. This one is honey milk latte. This one is salt caramel latte. Decaf. Galing. Eating dinner na. It's 4:45. So early dinner na to kasi ang next na kain namin is at 2 a.m. 4 cheese pizza tapos Bolognese. Yum! Grabe, parang di kami nabubusog. Ano ba to? Ang tagal. Finally got my luggage from the lockers. So we're gonna check in. It's already 6:16. Tapos mga 9:20 yung flight. It's currently midnight. Oh, diba?
I got my chips. I found them.
Yay!
Pero yun yung kinuha ko. Sobrang haba ng pila.